Having worked with the move tool now, you should be familiar with how to set up a move for any order, any move inventory, or any repo building. Of course then, these will automatically feed into our inventory or delivery list, as you guys are calling it. You can find the delivery list here in the reports, where you come down here and you hit delivery list. The delivery list will not automatically populate. You're going to have to select the before of the beginning and the end date that you want to actually show. So I'm going to select from the 1st of August to the 22nd of August. Now it's broken down into 3 different sections: Garden State bounds, Prairie Built bounds, and Old Hickory bounds. At the moment, Old Hickory bounds is not being updated in the move inventory, and that's why we don't have anything that's an example here. However, Old Hickory bounds work the exact same way. So what you see here is going to be the dispatch list that is identical to what you guys are currently using, with a couple exceptions. As you can see, we have the move date, we have the driver, we have the location type, where it comes from, the location, and then the previous location where it came from beforehand. So this is the current location, this is the previous location. We have the serial number, and we also have the status, the inventory type, the fee if there was one. This is an inventory move, so there wouldn't be. And then if it was an order, I'm assuming the dealership that it's purchased with it. And then we have the price. Then we have 2 different items here that are different. We have what's called the order ID and H&H account. Let me get down here. Here's one. Alright, so here is a delivery to a customer. Okay, it's a build on site, delivery to customer from Frank to Frank Dunleavy, or however we pronounce it, from Oroville. Alright, this was a Bay Minette dealership. The price is $20.45, but what we have showing now is the actual order ID. This order ID allows you to open up directly and go to the order, where you can see the whole order ID as well as any notes that anybody had put in here. Now for this one, nobody has added any notes, so our note field is empty. But if you are adding notes, you can go ahead and add test or whatever you wanted to say. Save the notes here as well so other people can see it. And then you can go back here to the dispatch list and continue going forward. The H&H account information is not going to show up yet, as I haven't made the connection here with it. But eventually we'll have an H&H account on every rent to own that we have here that actually has an H&H here, because it's going to connect to other items. Now, here's the Prairie Built bounds one. Again, the similar things. You've got the driver, you've got the dealership, or the location type, the location, and the previous location, as well as the serial number, and then all the rest of the information that we need to have here. So that is the delivery list tool. Now, there is a point in time to where the delivery list is not as accurate as it is going forward with this. So what we're going to have is we're going to either suggest that anything before a certain date, you guys go back and look at the Excel copies, or we're going to actually put in the Excel copy directly into the system so you can see it directly here. But what is going to be important is to know the date where the system is going, that you guys want to go back over and use the system to look at the location instead of your guys' Excel sheet.